We've covered domain one and all the subdomains in detail. And now what we're going to do is figure out how we're going to pass this test. How are we going to answer these questions? What are we going to do to study for it? What are some of the key words we need to know? Before we dive into the questions, you need to know that there's some keywords. So if they say anything about unknown threats, think unsupervised machine learning plus anomaly detection. If they talk about classifying the known categories, then you're talking about supervised machine learning, random forest, SVM. If you're talking about adaptive systems feedback loops, you're talking about reinforcement learning. If we're talking about images, visual, spatial, grid data, that's a convolutional neural network. Some of the keywords that go into a RNN or a recurrent neural network are sequence, time series, log data. Some of the keywords for transformer architecture are language, NLP, LLM, code analysis. Some of the keywords for a small language model are data can't leave the organization, so privacy. If you're talking about complex reasoning and the use of cloud is okay, you're talking about a large language model, ChatGPT, Claude, etc. If we're talking about a false but plausible output, it's a hallucination, possibly. And that can be fixed with a RAG. A retrieval augmented generation, a keyword for this might be grounding the LLM with the organization's documents. If you see content provenance and AI labeling, you might be talking about watermarking or C2PA standard. If you see deploy on constrained hardware, you might be talking about pruning plus quantization. All right, let's get to the questions.